with eyes open. I wish to address you today because the 1st of December is World AIDS Day, the day we all unite against one of the greatest threats to global health. In Denmark, like many countries around the world, research and access to medication has made it possible to live with HIV. Unfortunately, slow progress in finding a sustainable cure has resulted in many people believing there is nothing left to fight for, but there is.
Too often we close our eyes to things that happen far away from our daily lives. But today I ask you to keep them open. The epidemic is as ruthless as ever. Every single day someone's daughters and sons are informed that their lives have changed forever. Yes, we have learned to treat the symptoms of HIV and made it possible to live with the virus. But we must remember that there is no vaccine against HIV and that we cannot cure those who are infected.
Across the globe, more than 35 million people are living with HIV. That gives us 35 million reasons not to close our eyes. Last year we lost 1.5 million people due to AIDS, and in many countries the number of people infected with HIV is rising dramatically. Most of us know that HIV is an epidemic affecting many African countries. However, most of us are unaware that it is in Eastern Europe and Central Asia that the numbers of new infections are highest.
Here in Denmark and around the world, there are a number of people who are living with HIV and are unaware of it. They are afraid to get tested because of fear of what friends, family and colleagues will say. Fear of being abandoned by their loved ones, fear of losing their jobs, fear of finding out the truth. So they close their eyes.
The rest of us close our eyes too. We are too afraid. Therefore, we don't see that everyday people who are living with HIV experience discrimination, prejudice, and fear. Let us use knowledge and understanding to open each other's eyes. There is no reason at all to let fear overpower love.
Today is World AIDS Day. Today's good news is that fighting against HIV makes a difference. The most important news of today is that the fight against HIV is far from over.
You can make a difference in so many ways. People living with HIV need love, care, and understanding, just like everyone else. You can give a hug or a kiss to someone living with HIV. You can help break down prejudices and eliminate ignorance. We can all support the fight against HIV and AIDS.
The fight is to find a cure. The fight is to ensure that people living with HIV can live without fear of rejection and prejudice. The fight will continue for as long as we choose not to close our eyes. Thank you for keeping them open.